healthy world, a world of healthy recipes. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to make best iced tea this summer using True Elements Spearmint Green Tea. First, let me tell you about True Elements Spearmint Green Tea. It's full of benefits. It gives natural relief from headache and stress. It calms and soothes your mind. It is a natural decongestant and an antioxidant. Ladies, it is being scientifically proven to reduce facial hair growth in women. So, how to make this green tea? So, to start with, you would require obviously a True Elements Spearmint Green Tea, boiling water, organic honey or palm sugar to add the sweetness, lemon juice and few ice cubes. So, first, keep the True Elements Spearmint Green Tea leaves in boiling water for 2-3 minutes. Let it cool at room temperature. Then, just give it a little swirl. Pour in a glass like this. Now add honey. That depends how much sweetness you want in your tea. Just swirl it like this. Now few ice cubes. And last but not the least, to give a tangy taste to your tea and boost the antioxidant power of your tea, just add few drops of lemon juice. Again, just swirl. Wow, certainly with just one sip, I feel so refreshed.